Hey everyone, welcome to the show. I am the City Escape Griller, and today we're checking out my new grilling station. This is the Keter Unity Outdoor Portable Table. Now this thing comes in two sizes. We've got this size here, and then there's an XL version, which is a little bit longer and a little bit more expensive. Now before we get into this review, I want to say thank you to everyone who watches these videos. And if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when new videos come out. I'd also like to say that I am not affiliated with the brand Keter in any way whatsoever, so my opinion is completely unbiased. So without further ado, let's check out my new table. The first thing to mention about this table is the materials. It's not wood, but it's this nice plastic, which is perfect for leaving outside in the elements. When it arrived, it was easy to assemble. It took about half an hour, and most of the parts just snapped right together. The top is stainless steel, which I love. I think it looks great and is really easy to clean. On the side here is a stainless steel handle with hooks to hold your tools, spatula, tongs, whatever. And it also came with this bottle opener. On the other side, we find a rack for holding spices and condiments. Under that is a bar for holding paper towels. Then we've got this door that opens up to a storage area. And it has rained since I got this table, and none of the rain got into the storage area, so you can definitely store your charcoal here. Down here, we've got wheels on two of the legs that make it easy to move around. And the stationary legs on the other side are adjustable so you can get the table nice and level. This table seems perfect if you have a Weber Q, but keep in mind that it is a little bit taller than the actual Weber Q stand, so it might not be right for everyone. Which brings me to why I went with this table instead of getting a Performer, which has the built-in table. So I picked up the Master Touch, which is a great grill, and that cost $219. This table here I picked up on Amazon for $112. To compare that to the Performer Deluxe, that goes for $439. So this combination here is a little over $100 savings over the Performer. Now if you went with the Weber Kettle Premium, that's $165. This table is $112. That's another $100 savings if you got the Kettle Performer Premium. So you're looking at $100 savings by going with this table instead of getting the Performer. Now, I know a lot of you guys like the built-in table, and that's fine. Go that route. But this table is really nice, really well made. I definitely like the stainless steel top. And this is just another option to look at if you're shopping for a Weber Kettle. If you like this video, please leave a like and a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And of course, keep on grilling.